Okay, so I am Maven pipeline 1. So you can use a pipeline or you can use multi-branch pipeline also. You can use anything, no problem. So we'll see first time I'm trying also multi-branch pipeline. It is rotating. So it is showing so many options: health matrix, pipeline libraries. Okay, so that is a display name. Add resources like a Git, but in a Git Jenkins file is there. That is a good one. Okay, you can put a in a Git that one. Behavior, discover branches, nothing. Add property, add source is nothing. But Jenkins file, source path is Jenkins file, but I didn't give any Jenkins file in that one. That is the problem. So I'm not doing anything. It will automatically clone. So then I don't no, I don't want to do that one. I'll put a clean. Okay, clean. First define a steps. Okay, so this is really ridiculous job. Single step it is bad clean mvn clean. Okay, so this is a step, this is a stage, right? So this is a stage. Yeah. So what happened to this? Okay, stage, control copy, do this one, and I just clean, compile, compile. Test, test. Just I will try. So I'm gonna save this one. Now again I have to put into things like adding, completed, git, commit. This is a new file. Okay, now Jenkins file, something, commit, done. Now I'm going to git push. Same thing only. Yeah, same thing. Next, finished. Now upload it. We'll see what will happen from there. Okay. Yeah, file is came. Very good. So here also already we said a file is there. Save it. Oh, so there are so many things are going on. Scanning fast. It is doing. That part is okay. Jenkins file not found met criteria. This is successful. Okay, good. Then we have to see uh, multi-branch pipeline events. Then we have to see something from here. No events. View is there now. View. Where is the view? This is successful, but where is the view? This is done. Okay. This is failed. Skip text passed one, but I want to see the steps. It is backwards. It is good, but still, but same thing I want to do again with the pipeline on wise only. So I'm doing pipeline wise only. Same thing, but I put a two. Okay, pipeline Maven demo 2. Okay, this multi-branch pipeline is not working. So we have to create a view for that one. Build triggers, sorry, source location, GitLab connections, triggers, advanced project options. What is advanced? Display name nothing. Pipeline script here compulsory GitHub plus Maven. So this is how we can do it. Actually, yeah, this is the one. Shit. Maven 2. Yes, I put it one as a Maven 2. And here, step 1 is source. Mm, yeah, this is a good one. I'll use this bad thing. You need a lot of patience to do this one. Okay, you have to put it in the quotations, huh? MV, and that's why the dating is also failure. Okay, clean. Okay, next. I'm copying this stage and I'll put here another stage. Okay, next. That is clean. Compile. And this is not required. Compile. Next. This is not compile. Test. This is not required. Clean and test. Okay, and this is the post. If it is a post is if it is successful, then do like this. Okay, so I don't want to do anything. If it is successful, do like this. Okay, so I'll put a echo mm, clean compile test successful. and failure also there. Actually, you can put a fail also. Echo mm, project failed in some stage. So I will put it like this. What will happen? And it is showing a crash mark extra. So because of lack of one double one. Again, I have to check this agent any tools M2, which is this is part completed. Stage is started here. Okay, so stage is started. This is stage one. Brackets open, close, steps, stage started, closed, successful, but it is not closed here. Now it is closed. Then it is started, closed, but not actually closed. Each stage we have to close it. Post. So post has to be here. If it is successful, this is the statement, this is failure statement, and this is the post statement, and this is the extra. That's it. Tools closed, pipeline, stages one. So we have to. That's it. Success, failure, post. And why it is still showing like this. Close more. This is always give us a little bit confusion. Pipeline script, pipeline, any agent tools. This is completed. This part, this part, where it is. Here. Okay, we'll try. Then what will happen? So we'll build now. It's going on something, so it is giving error console output. Startup failure only. Maximum survivability workflow 58. Expected found nothing. Script wall. Now it is showing no error. I don't know. Yeah, it is showing error. Irritation, irritation, irritation. Okay, pipeline agent M2. Okay, stages. Stage name is source. Steps gate. Bat MV and Maven. Clean. Okay, okay. That is a good one. Stage is closed here. Okay, so stage. This is also not done. Okay, still it is showing some error. Okay, stage. This is a one stage completed. This is another stage completed. This is another stage, right? Completed up to here. This is stages. So then we have to give here. This is a stage part is completed. Now this is a post stage. Success, failure, from here to here completed. Now if this is nothing. Now this is correct. You see, still it is no data available. Pipeline is not yet set, not yet run. You see, so it is showing directly red color from starting on. So fail is invalid condition. Fixed, aborted, success. See, now hold on, go to configure. Post success is there, then post fail should be there now. Okay, that is a step that ridiculous. No errors. Save it. Notice. Okay. So two times successfully failed. Not in a stage wise also. We failed in a configuration. Again, third is also showing red color. M2, it is not understand how to type. Maven does not have a install of M2 configure. Did you mean yes at the line 6 column 15? So it is not understanding what is M2. Yes, it's Apache Maven, this one. Back to the project, back to the dashboard. So these many things will be there, whether you are sure or not sure. So everything you have to be take care. Okay, so go to the global configuration. Okay, so in a global configuration, I have to check what I given in a Maven home or a Maven 3 or Maven 2. So I have to check it. The default Maven settings in file system, global settings. Already I given Maven right here. Git JDK. I given here. Yeah, Maven thing. Oh, Maven name I given like this, right? Okay, so I given like this. Build history, and dashboard. So this is the Maven project too, right? So no. Pipeline one. pipeline. So this is the failure one. Let's open it, configure. Uh, I already done this one, so last time what I put I didn't remember. Go to pipeline. Okay, good. Now try build now. It is the fourth one. Just showing some, not some, it is red color on the console output. Startup pipeline, Jenkins, stages. So first stage is Git. Mm, next one is MVN clean running. Oh, successful. MVN compile successful. MVN clean test. Okay. Clean compile test successful. That is echo command I given in if it is successful. Success. This is only my console output, but we have to check with a view, right? So the stage view have to check it. So this is the stage view. Guys, can you see here it is the stage view. Okay, here all are empties. Why? Because so initialization is all failure. But if you see declarative tool install something is given here. So log. So go to the log and you can see use tools from the predefined tool installation. Fetch environmental variables for a foobar something is given. Okay. Okay. So we have to close this one. Source. First source. What is the source? In a source I given GitHub thing. Okay, so it is showing the GitHub output and close this one. It is not. You can close it. That is very simple one. It is not closing. Okay, so now all. Yeah. Now it is MVN clean. I given a clean part. Now it is clean is done. Okay, so we got a source related output also. So total thing we can able to see from here. Next one is compile is successful, test is successful, and total success is a post actions for total successful. Okay, if it is successful, display clean complete test successful. I given that statement. For example, it failed at the compile, the other states also will be failure. Okay, so like a pipeline is I created in a three stages here. Source stage, gather the source stage, do MVN clean, compile, okay, and the test. So three stages I created. In a source there is a two steps. If you see this one, you can see here git step and MVN clean one. Okay, that is two steps I given. If you go to the compile, this is only compile step only. Okay, this is only one step, that is a compile. In this stage having only one step. This is having a two commands I given. Two commands. I didn't divide into the stepwise, but you can create a stepwise also. I didn't do it, but you can do it that one. If you want to check it that step also, that you can able to try. Okay, because the last one I didn't get a successful. So while dividing the step, maybe it is not our complete mistake also. So then you can go to the configuration part and also we can change it. Like first in a source itself we can able to change it, or maybe you can do it in a mm, test clean, like that we can create a multiple steps in a one single one. So you have to keep on doing it, so then we will understand what is there, what is this one and all. So you can see the steps is a source, and here only I want to put a clean part, then also I can put it, otherwise mvl compile and clean and test is there, no? So I will divide in a test only. I will divide this thing in a clean, mvn clean, and then mvl test also. Okay, so this is the steps. At the steps only I'm giving. I will try again. So I'm giving bat in a quotations mvn test, or you can put it um, compile. Otherwise in a test only we give other things like um, install. You can use test clean. I put a clean install, two steps in that one, test and install. Both are in the test only. I putting test and as well as install, and you have to verify this the open and closing thing under this one is there or not. So this is a complete stage closing, and these are having two steps. Check it, no errors. Just you have to try again and again and again. Okay, so I didn't change the stages, but I add a step. I clicked it, so that's the fifth one or what. So at the stage test, I done something mistake. Yeah, that's I added something now, so that is showing like a mistake. Okay, this is it. Then otherwise Google it. So how to add a multiple steps. It's the same location. No problem here. Both are in the same stage only. Okay, the stage is also not changing. Very simple. We got a dot, then check it. So Guru 99 is also giving, and you can see the steps part in Jenkins also. So it is given a pipelining concept. Pipeline is a set of instruction given in the form of code for a continuous delivery and consist of instruction need for a entire build process. With the pipeline, you can build, test, and deliver applications also. The machine uh, um, on which Jenkins runs is called a node. Okay, so which node you are running? Windows node or a Linux node you are running, that you can able to specify. Okay, a node block is mainly used in a scripted pipeline syntax. Okay, stage block, series of steps in a pipeline. This is build, test, deploy process all come together in a stage. Generally, stage block is used to visualize a pipeline process. The stage is to visualize. Step is nothing but a single task that execute a specific process at a defined a time. So the pipeline involve a series of steps. Okay. So they are giving also how to create and all. Okay. The for pipeline, so many things downstream, upstream. That much you can't able to. So net is again giving little bit slower. Okay, very good. This is also not giving full. Okay, so many steps, so many things, so much of data, this much of data, you don't understand. Step references. This is a good diagram to understand actually. Each one having steps only, not step. Build, test, deploy. So there are not declare multiple steps in that one. So that is our mistake only. Okay. So I should not put a two steps here. But we can put it with a multi-stage steps wise. It's okay. So I'm saving it. At least we will understand something. Sixth one is also showing a red color. If you see red color, danger, danger. It is going on. It is going on. I will show you in a stage view. We know already console view. Okay, so you can see in a stage view. I will put a full stage view. So then it is the screen it shows the workflow. This is also a question. What is workflow? So as you said, answer that is a workflow. What is a workflow? Like a collection of the source, test, build, deploy. It's each stage. So one stage, every stage will have to pass, and then you have to go to the next stage. Okay, if any stage failure, then we have on the screen it can be shows like which stage is failure and why it is failure. So go to that particular stage part. So then you have to do according to that one. Okay, you have to take the action according to it. So it is simply displaying everything. So this is the meaning of a DevOps is like agile process means what it is. Put everything into the screen. So one important part is put everything under the screen so you will understand what is going on. Okay, somewhere it is a column, then is it belongs to a tester related one, or a source code related one, or a script related things, or giving a condition that is not working, right? So it is going on. See the step one files. So we are currently in a test, and in a test we have I put a two things. That's why it is taking time. So how much time it is also taking, also it is showing. Okay, so this is about your pipeline project. Okay, steps only it is given a two steps here. So in a test you can see that one mvn clean test, that's the output. Mvn clean test is that's the output, and mvn clean install, this is the output. Okay, so like that we can able to see this is it. Okay, so I'm going to dashboard. If you have any doubts also you can ask me, no problem. Okay,